Hi, my name is Velma Gomez, and for my final project, I did a school profile. So today, I will be talking to you a little bit about the school, the programs offered for ELLs at this school, teacher challenges, and family engagement. For this project, I talked to the ESL coordinator and a bilingual teacher. They both prefer I don't share any identifiable information for them or the school, so I will be respecting their wishes. So the school is located in North Houston. It's part of a district of about 36,000 students. It opened in 2005 and it has had the same leadership until last school year. Total number of enrolled students is around 770. 82% are considered economically disadvantaged. The majority of the students' population is of Hispanic descent. The number is 62% and 27% for Black students. They have a mobility rate of 11%, which are mostly African American students that move that go in and out of the school. For the last school year, the school received a grade of B by TEA. This school is considered one of the better ones in the district. The teachers like the environment. Many of the parents have good things to say and are happy about the school. So let me tell you a little bit about the programs for ELLs at this school. There are 305 ELLs at this school, and they speak about 8 different languages from this students, and include like Spanish, German, French, some African languages as well. All ESL and bilingual teachers are certified teachers. The ones that are not certified, they have a 1-year waiver to get their certification. The school district uses the late exit model for their ELLs. Students are able to get supported all the way through 5th grade. And I talked to, like I said, to a bilingual teacher, and she really likes the fact that the school has adopted this model, because it gives the students more time to learn the content areas, and of course to learn English. So some of the challenges that the ESL coordinator and the teacher share with me is that not knowing the different levels of the students' proficiency, and remembering the different accommodations for each child is difficult. So in turn, using the accommodations on a regular basis for the students becomes a challenge. Another challenge is the academic levels vary among students, because the students come from their country of origin at different levels. It is difficult for the teachers to gauge and to work with the different levels among the students. There is a lack of family support for different reasons. We know that Hispanic families, for many Hispanic families, the school and the teachers take care of the academics, and they don't really think that they should get involved. One of the teachers shared that if the students, for example, have a strong foundation on their first language, that is going to translate into learning the second language. So parents could help by talking to their children, telling stories, but the staff at this particular school find that that's a challenge for them. They They have a lack of materials, specifically they said in Spanish. So many times teachers have to create their own materials. So family engagement, the way that it occurs at this school is that all material, all communication goes out to parents, both in English and Spanish, given that that's the majority of their students, the families are of Hispanic descent. Conferences, arts, formal meetings are always translated. And if there are other languages that are needed for the families, the district is contacted ahead of time to seek their support. The district has a list of parents or volunteers that speak other languages. So they are contacted and so they can support the different schools. Newly immigrated families are, when they come to the school, they are given a tour of the school, and the student is assigned a buddy. And this buddy can be with the student as long as the student needs it, even a whole year if it's necessary. So for me, some of the things that I gained for this course is that first, my background is in early childhood and psychology. I am not a teacher, so one of the reasons why I wanted to take this course is to just have a better understanding of ELLs. At times I'm approached by some parents and they ask, what kind of program should I put my child in, bilingual, dual? So I really gain a good understanding of the education of ELLs, the challenges and changes through the years. For example, one of the court cases, Lau versus Nichols, and how this court case led to the Equal Education Opportunity Act of 1974. So I know that rights of ELLs have to be protected, and there is lots to learn and challenges that ELLs face. And I hope that they encounter advocates in the teachers they get, because we have to, it's up to us to protect their rights and also to support the teachers. So thank you very much.